I wanted to talk to you today about how easy it is to add a family in RainMaker. For instance, let's say that you have 5 members of a family that all enroll at the same time, and you're going to charge them $500 a month. So you basically it'll be $100 a month for each of your students that join into their family. And probably you don't want to enter all of those contracts or agreements in 5 different times. So Rainmaker makes it easy. Not only does it make it easy to enter it, but also it makes it easy to keep them all together so that you really understand that it's a family plan or a family program that's training together. The first thing you're going to want to do is pick one of the 5 that is the head of household, if you will. And it doesn't really matter who that is, just pick one of them. Maybe you'll pick the oldest, or maybe you'll pick the dad if he's training. I'm going to use my member, Mr. Test, here, and I'm going to search for him. And let's see here. So here I've already entered in this person. He's going to be my head of household, and I've already added the program. But let's go ahead and edit in here. Instead of $139 a month, it's going to be the $500 a month that we previously talked about. And then I'm going to hit save. Okay. So we have Mr. Tester here. He is the head of household, and he is being charged $500 a month. He's being charged for all of the students. So let's go ahead and scroll down to family members. Okay. So you can see here that there's only one person, and the contract holder is Mr. Tester. Okay. So we're going to add family to this guy. You have 3 different options here. Let me just go over the first one. It says, would you like to make Tester the main contact, basically the head of household, and add additional family members? That's exactly what we want to do. All right, here's some other options. Would you rather add Tester to an existing family member? That happens if, like, let's say that in 6 months from now, they decide to add their other member of their family. Well, then I can now use this method right here. And the third one says, would you rather search for an existing member to add to Tester's program? In other words, he is the head of household, and you want to go ahead and search through RainMaker to find another contact that you might have previously entered. I'm going to assume that you haven't previously entered this person. You just have the first family member, so I'm going to click on this top one. So this is as easy as it is. Let's say Mr. Tester's other name is Test2. Last name is Tester. Okay. And their birthday is in October. All right. And email, you can put their email address in here. That might be handy if you have multiple people in the household that wants to get your same email messages. But I don't. This is just a child, so I'm going to let it go at that. They're going to be in my junior program. They're definitely a white belt, and their program is the basic program. And I'm going to add a family member. Okay. Now I'm going to add the second family member, Test. Number 3, Tester. The birthday is going to also be in October. I like that month. All right, 1987. They're a junior, white belt, basic, perfect. Add that family member. And I'm going to keep adding family members until I'm done. Okay, so now I'm done. So it takes me back to the head of household, which is Tester, and you'll see that they're still being billed $500 a month. That's for each of the 5. And then if you look down here, you'll see the family members that are now associated to this main contact. Tester is the contract holder, and then you have Test2, Test3, and of course I didn't do 4 and 5, but I think you get the idea. If I go to any one of these other ones, you'll notice that they're officially a student. You can see that here. They're enrolled. It says they're a part of a family membership. Test2 Tester is a part of a family membership. They're enrolled in a leadership program, yada, yada, yada. You can see that the contract holder is Tester. So if I wanted to see the financial information, I can click here and I can see the financial details. Or I can remove this person from the family. I don't want to do that. But that's how it works. If I need to add additional family members, I can do it right here. So I hope this has helped you and figure out how you can add multiple people to a family membership, keep it all together, and not really have to do a whole lot of work. You just kind of put their name, their birth date, and what program they're on, and hit add, and that officially does all the other work for you based on the original person. So I hope this helps you.